Okay, I had to come back because he got down in the water. He's just on the edge of the water. You can see him there. Look at his reflection. Isn't that freaking trippy? Again, I'm a little nervous of getting too close because, as you can see, there's water there, and I'm in my slippers and I've got a camera in my hand, so if we zoom out just a little bit. That's fucking cool. There you have it. I'm waiting for him to open his wings and fly. But for now, I'm going to go back to my yard.